Oh my god, that monkey's stealing the bananas. And it's Mango! What a plot twist! Oh my god, it seems like it's not just Mango. There's another person approaching. Oh wait, it's another Mango. Who knew Mango had twins? Hey Frank, is that you? Yes, it is me, and I know you've been stealing bananas throughout this whole year. Longer than a year, actually, but you're not seeing the whole picture. Us mangoes are genetically modified, designed to be the perfect henchmen for you-know-who, so I have way more clones than the one you see right here. Would you tell me who your boss is? Of course not. Well then... Ha! Mango! I knew it was you all along! This is honestly getting pretty entertaining to watch. I wonder if they'll actually find out that it was I who's been stealing the bananas. Darn, that laugh was really out of place. Oh, I see. So you're not really the banana stealer, you're just a genetically modified henchman. Yep. Oh my gosh, that's it! Don't you see? Socks did it. The demon he was possessed by was the watermelon we saw in the past out dreams. You know, the mythological watermelon demon no one talks about? It all makes sense. This job is fun, but boy is it tiring. Well, now we know who did it, but where will we find him? Weren't you guys being held hostage by Socks? Well, we were, but then Socks fell asleep, so we jumped up, and then we reached a supersonic level, and then all the ropes keeping us contained burned away. Interesting. Can you by any chance lead us back to Socks? Sure, I feel like there's a plot hole here, but I can't put my finger on it. Well, let's do this. Hey, Socks, we know you've been stealing the bananas all along. You finally found out, huh? Why would you do such a thing? I guess it started 5 years ago. When I was younger, I rarely had the privilege to eat bananas. A few years ago, I saved up all my money to buy one banana. I hadn't had it in a while, and I kinda wanted to see what the fuss was about anyways. Last time I had a banana, I was too young to remember. When I took one bite of this one, I was immediately hooked. I wanted more, but this was the only one I could afford to get. It wasn't even banana bread or banana ice cream, it was just a simple banana. I really couldn't help it. I ended up resorting to stealing really small amounts of bananas from people. Nobody noticed, but it was still not enough. I ate all the bananas I stole, even though it felt super wrong and I completely regretted it. One night I looked outside my window while I was eating a banana and noticed all the kale I was growing was gone. I wondered what could have taken it. In confusion, I turned around and noticed a floating watermelon. This is not something you see every day, and then suddenly it spoke to me. Thank you for your sacrificial ritual. Now I will serve you for the next 5 years. After the watermelon spoke, I immediately recognized it. It was the mythological kale monster thingy. I didn't know what I could possibly want from this watermelon, but then it hit me. Bananas. The watermelon guy told me that he didn't need to give me bananas. I could just get them myself. I didn't know what he meant. But then I woke up. Sure, it was just a dream, but it felt real. Just then I realized what he meant. I should steal more bananas. Besides, nobody but me deserves them. Everybody should feel my pain. Ha 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 ha. I spent 3 years plotting after that one night. I even went as far as to genetically modify a monkey to throw at people trying to catch me off. I also developed scribusiness. Welp, I guess it's all over now that you've caught me. Indeed it is.
Psych!
Now you're the ones who are cornered. Not just yet. Never mind. Once I get rid of you, I'll finally be able to eat my bananas in peace. What about Mango? If I were you, I'd be less concerned about your enemy and more concerned about what your last words are gonna be. Oh my gosh, is that a rhino? Do you seriously want those to be your last words? Is there a reference I'm not getting? These sound effects are still terrible. This whole thing itself is kinda random, but I think we did it. And we wouldn't have done it without that rhino. Well, Socks, it looks like it's over for you. We called the police while you're monologuing, and they'll be here any minute now. So if you have any more tricks up your sleeve, save them for later. Well, all the mangoes will get me out of this. Good luck with that. It's the police. Put your hands where I can see them. You can already see my hands, you doof. Oh, come on. You didn't have to call me a doof. That's just something I say to make myself feel better. Just get this over with. Bum, 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 bum. Welcome to MN News. Yesterday, simultaneously after the mysterious disappearance of Roddy the Rhino from the zoo, the group qualified to find out who keeps stealing our bananas found the culprit. Samuel McGuffrey Socks and his army of cloned mangoes will now be heading to jail for life. Welp, it looks like we have done it. This whole mango thing looks like a ploy for a second monkey mission. Shut up. Those last words I said were supposed to be a cue for the credits. it's over? Okay. I am sorry to disturb you, sir, but it looks like Boss has been arrested. We can easily bust him out of jail. We have enough troops for that. Just look. I see.